In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use JBL app for earbuds, speakers, Partybox, and JBL One. In this case, head over to your Play Store and click onto the search bar. Click onto this and search in here for JBL. We have in here JBL headphones, which is good for earbuds, but since we want to use it as well for speakers and Partybox, let's head over and choose in here this portable one. Install it and click on open. Now you should be able to see in here this. So in this case, you can add or list products into this list in order to start a party. When you click on add, you can choose in here the actual product. We have boombox, flip, grip, pulse, extreme, and legs. Just choose in here the actual speaker that you want to use for your party. When you click on it, just press the boot button. You can see in here the pairing mode options for these parts. Now in here you can add products, language, and it will also enable in here the discoverability of those. So just discover those products and connect them right here in order to use this particular application. So how that's how you use JBL app. Hope we helped.